Kia ora everyone, I am Ahmed Mohi and this is IA Max. Today I'll be showing you how to bulk create Azure Active Directory users using Azure Portal. So let's dive in. To start, open up the Azure Portal by going to the portal.azure.com. From there, click in the Azure Portal search and then type in Azure Active Directory. Pick the Azure Active Directory from the search results. This will open up the Azure Active Directory blade. From the left side panel, under the Manage section, click on Users. This is the New Users blade. As you can see here, we can create a new user or create a new guest user. I'll talk about guest users in a future video. Or we could perform bulk operations. When you click on bulk operations, you get the options to bulk create users or bulk invite users, which is related to guest users, or bulk delete users, and finally download users. We are after bulk create in this video, so let's click on bulk create. This will open up a window on the right side in the Azure Portal. And as you can see here, you can download a CSV template, and then you edit the CSV template. And after you finish editing, you can upload the CSV template from here. So let's download the CSV template. Click on download. And as you can see here, we downloaded a file called user create template. A CSV file is just a text file that stores data inside of it in a table format. You can edit the CSV file using Microsoft Excel. Now that we opened up the file using Microsoft Excel, we could see that it's just a table that contains details about the users that we want to create. For example, here we could see this is the display name of the user. This is the username, which is the email address of the user. And this is the initial password to be given to the user for them to access their account. And then finally, block sign-in. This is outside the scope of this video. I'll talk about it in a future one. Let's start to fill in some example users here. I have now filled in details for 10 users. User from 1 to 10. This is the name of the users. This is the email address for the users. This is the password, and I have chosen no for all the block sign-in. Our file is not ready to be saved, so let's do that. When you save the file, you will get a warning message telling you that some of the formatting details here, for example, if you change the color of the font or you change the size, will be lost if you save the file as a CSV file. As we don't care about these features, we only care about the values inside the CSV file, so we can safely ignore the warning message. Just make sure that you fill in all these details in here for all the users. Otherwise, when you upload the file to Microsoft Azure, if one of those details is missing, you will get an error message complaining about those missing details. All these 4 columns need to be filled in. Now that our file is ready to be uploaded, let's go back to the Azure Portal, and then to upload the file, click on the folder icon, navigate to where you saved your file, select the file, and then open it up. If everything is alright, you will get a successfully uploaded green message telling you that your file is okay. Now we are ready to submit our file. So let's do that. Click on Submit. Our file is now being created. It's going to take a while. We now received a successfully created users here. So let's click on this notification. And as you can see here, we have created 10 users at one go. If we go back to the Azure Active Directory, and then again under Manage go to Users, we can see here that we've created 10 users. If we click on one of those users, for example, user 1, we'll see the details that we've entered in the CSV file, like the username, the user email ID, and then any other details that we filled in here. For example, we've got block sign-in as no. All the other details that we didn't fill in are blank because we didn't fill these details. As you can see, we are able to bulk create 10 users at one go. If you have hundreds or more users, this is where this method really shines and saves you time. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. And I hope you found this video useful, and as always, stay strong, kia kaha. See ya.